Hi, I'm Elizabeth Bianchi, and I'm with We Want It All, the lifestyles website for women in Manhattan. Today, I'm going to make some sauteed carrots with white wine. So first, what I got here were these really cute small carrots that still have the green tops on them. I cleaned them up really nice like that. I think they, it looks like a carrot, which is really nice, and and they're small too, but not too small. First, what I'm going to do is get a pan pretty hot. What you want to do is reduce the white wine a bit because you want to cook out the alcohol, and you want to, condense the flavor. All right, so what I did was I added a little bit of olive oil to the reduced white wine. And you basically, once it's pretty hot, you gotta be careful. Add your carrots. All right, so now you wanna finish cooking them, because what I did was I blanched them, so they cooked a little bit through. But you want to cook them all the way. You want to give them some color, and you want them to look nice and glazed. All right, so now they basically look pretty glazed and cooked through. I'm gonna finish it off with some butter. And definitely always remember to season. And I like to finish them off with some chopped parsley. I also got some chopped chives. You could use chervil, tarragon. I mean, it's up to you. So a little parsley and a little chives. All right, so now I just like to put some of the sauce over the carrots at the end, the parsley and the white wine and the butter. And I garnish them with a little more chives. All right, there you have it. Some glazed carrots in white wine. I'm Elizabeth Bianchi. Have a great day.